Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the culture in India, which is an amalgam of thousands of distinct and unique cultures of all religions and communities currently present. The Indian subcontinent is the birthplace of four major religions, which are Buddhism, Hinduism, Jainism, and Sikhism, all based on the concepts of the Dharma and Karma. Over 1.1 billion Indians identify as Hindus, and today Hinduism and Buddhism are the world's third and fourth largest religions, respectively, with over 2.1 billion followers altogether. India is known for its non-violence philosophy, which is called Ahimsa, and which is an important aspect of the native faith, whose well-known proponent was Mahatma Gandhi, who inspired more people like Martin Luther King Jr. of the United States, who was fighting for the civil rights of the blacks in the USA. The other foreign origin religions include Christianity and Islam, where India has the second largest Muslim population of over 172 million people in the world. According to the Indian constitution, there is a list of 22 languages recognized countrywide, but there are other more 122 major languages and 1,599 other languages spoken by the people, thus making India to have the world's second high number of languages spoken in a single country. The Indian cuisine is very diverse, ranging from very spicy to very mild, varying with seasons in each region. Most people in India, around 31% of the population, are vegetarians, thus making the country to have the most vegetarians than the rest of the world. Since most people in India identify as Hindus, most women in India wear henna on their hands and bindis on their forehead. The men wear long skirts called veshtis. India being a multicultural, multi-ethnic, and multi-religious country, it celebrates a lot of festivals and holidays. Popular religious festivals include Hindu fests like Navratri, Janmashtami, Diwali, Ganesh Festival, and more, and Muslim festivals of Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha, and Christians celebrate Easter and Christmas. Weddings are festivals in themselves in India, with extensive decorations, colors, music, dance, costumes, and rituals that depend on religion of the bride and the groom. The nation celebrates over 10 million weddings each year. Indian architecture encompasses a multitude of expressions of space and time, constantly absorbing new ideas. There is a lot to learn in India because each state, that is over 23 states, are countries in themselves, with each having their own unique cultures, architecture, and different people with different cultures. Thank you for watching my short video, and let me know about your thoughts of the culture in India in the comment section. Thank you for watching Film Merengue.